Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called The Sunflower That Followed the Moon. A little sunflower grew happily in a wide, sunny field. Every morning, it turned its face to follow the sun. The sunflower loved the warmth and light, but at night, it felt lonely under the dark sky. One evening, it noticed the moon rising slowly. Her light was soft and silver, not hot like the sun. The sunflower stretched tall and whispered, "Hello, moon." The moon smiled back, shining gently on its petals. Night after night, the sunflower turned to greet her. The stars twinkled, happy to see a flower so devoted. When the sun returned each morning, the sunflower still smiled. It had learned the sun helps the world wake and grow strong. And the moon helps the world rest, dream, and prepare for a new day. The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow. Oh, I almost forgot. If you like our stories, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe.